Palawik. Valerio ngayon. First throw na good. Good shot pala. Second throw. Nice move by Mr. Valerio. Valerio penetrate, binali pa. Napasigaw naman siya.
Taas kamay mo. Ayun.
Basket count.
Ganun lagi.
Kwanta. Bonus throw, Busulo. Parang practice sa...
Tatlo kayo.
Baksisa.
Nice one.
Nice drop naman yun.
Gal.
With a turn around. Valerio on the way to Sante. Valerio hook.
Counted yung counted.
Number 7.
Foul committed by number 7, Mr. Masilang. That will be your second.
Pass it to Valerio. Valerio with a power move. Easy basket by Valerio.